We have the founder of ZongoVation Hub with us. Assalamu alaikum, Habibi.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Mahmoud Jaja. I'm the founder and CEO of ZongoVation Hub.
Chief Executive Officer of ZongoVation Hub. Tell us, what is ZongoVation Hub about?
So ZongoVation Hub is an innovation hub, community innovation hub. What we do is that we create opportunities for young people in Zongo communities through technology and innovation. We started in 2018 to support entrepreneurship across Zongo communities. So we started with training of young people in software development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. After the training, we want them to become tech entrepreneurs. So we've now moved to the entrepreneurship phase to train young people in becoming entrepreneurs. So you will see that under this Zongo Startup Summit, what we are trying to do is that we are bringing experienced entrepreneurs and business people to come and listen to young entrepreneurs. And then for the young entrepreneurs to also learn, okay, from the challenges and successes of these successful entrepreneurs. So alhamdulillah, we under the Ghana Economic Transformation Project of the Ministry of Finance and the World Bank in partnership with NEIP. NEIP is the National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program. ZongoVation App is part of the hubs selected to do this training. So we train these young entrepreneurs, 20 of them, for a period of 4 months, which is the incubation phase. Then after the incubation phase, they'll come and pitch their ideas, which they are still doing today. So after the pitch, then they'll go to the acceleration. Acceleration is when we give them funding to start their businesses. So they will be running their business. So it's practical, to build young business leaders for Zongo community.
Solid impact. Tell us, how did the Zongo Startup Summit come about? This is the first time in our community. How did it come about?
In actual fact, this is the 3rd edition of the Zongo Startup Summit, but this time around is the biggest. We organized the first 2 editions were just a smaller version of what we wanted to do, but now because of the support we have from NEIP and then the Ministry of Finance, we decided to do it big. So this is actually the biggest community startup event in Ghana. So you could see the number of dignitaries that came. So we are going to organize this every year, inshallah. We train the young entrepreneurs, and then they will come on the demo day. Demo day is the startup summit to present whatever they have. So this is the 3rd time we are organizing this, inshallah.
Huge impact, huge impact. What does the future look like? After this, what next? What should we expect?
Inshallah. So what we are trying to do is that we are launching an initiative called the Decade for Zongo Entrepreneurship from 2024 to 2034. This 10-year period, we are going to try and actively support young entrepreneurs in the Zongo community. We're going to give them training, we're going to give them funding. So they'll come to ZongoVation Hub for training, we'll mobilize resources to support them. We want the Zongo communities to become the hub of startups and entrepreneurship. We are building a startup community for the Zongo community. So this is just the beginning. Inshallah, expect more from next year, inshallah.
Huge impact, huge impact. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Mahmoud Jaja. So we are here at the largest community startup event in Ghana. It's the Zongo Startup Summit 2023. We just had the CEO, Mr. Mahmoud Jaja. Do enjoy the rest of your day. We'll be interacting with more people, more business people about this startup event.
Oh.